So this is a 5-year-old van with 48,000 miles on, and there's a problem with the airbox rattling. Hold one bit back. Pull that little tab back. Two little tabs on the side, and then twist. There's another little catch there. There's two catches there. And then on this part, you can see that there's a little bit that sits under there. You can see this is where the grommet sits, and it's all worn away. Here's the other one. You can see where all the rubber's worn away. Those two back ones are completely gone. And this one, see that side's got some meat left. That's the new one. Whereas this side, completely worn away. See the difference between the new one and the old one? So the problem with vibration is it starts to wear through cables. So this cable here, I've put some inner tube around it now, but with the airbox sitting on it, it actually wore right the way through the outer insulation, and it'll start doing the same to the rest of them. You can see all the rubber that's worn away there. So get it in place, get that tab in at the back first, in behind there, and then you line up this up with this one, and that pin down there as well. Just slide it back, and these two will line up. Oh, yeah, the accoutrements can go back in. You see that these little pins just go in the slot. So get this end in first, twist it to lock it in place, and this end should just slot in.